guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to cook something special. So without further ado, let's get started.
Are you ready for it?
So for today, we are going to cook a sautéd corned beef. But before that, make sure to put on your pangmalakasang outfit like this one. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you the ingredients that we need in order for us to cook this sautéed corned beef. Of course, the main ingredient for this dish is CDO Karne Norte corned beef. And also, this potato and garlic and onion. Also, salt, pepper, and oil. And this Chinese Malunggay. Oops. Of course, babalatan muna natin yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin, and we're going to get them ready for cooking. So, we're going to peel these patatas. I don't know how to. Ano ba gumamit ko nito? Hindi ko alam gumamit ng box. Stop mo ulit. So we are going to peel these patatas first, and then we'll. Oops. So. So, after we peel these patatas, we are going to chop it na. Favorite ko talaga tong niluluto. Kasi, ang sarap-sarap nung ginisang patatas or, I mean, ginisang corned beef, sautéed corned beef. Let me just have the water. Here. So, yung patatas is chopped lang dapat siya. Or, I mean, cubes. Para madaling maluto. Make sure na kapag kinakat nyo siya, almost same sizes or same lang yung kapal kasi para pantay-pantay yung yung oras ng pagkakaluto. Oops. Set this aside. We're gonna prepare the bawang and the onion first. Yung bawang dapat cracked lang. Wag na siya yung pino. Then the onion. Kahit kalahati lang kasi masyadong malaki yung onion natin. So, yung sa onion, dapat sliced lang siya, hindi minced or hindi yung kinadkad. Okay, so after nating i-ready or mahiwa yung mga ingredients na kailangang hiwain, we are going to heat the pan. So we're just going to wait for it na uminit. Okay, so mukhang mainit na yung pan. We're going to add some oil, not too much, konti lang, just to stay garlic and, you know. Of course, habang inintay natin siyang maluto or ma-sauté, bubuksan na natin yung ating corned beef. Of course, hindi mo kailangan na ito kasi ang CDO Karne Norte is easy open pan. So, bubuksan mo lang siya, just open it as easy like that. Charan! Open. Tapos, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating pan. So, habang sinusutay natin, isutay natin for 1 to 2 minutes. And then after that, lalagyan natin siya ng water. At dahil nagbo-boil na nga siya, lalagyan na natin ng water. Yung water na kailangan natin, at least 1 or 2 to 2 cups of water or 500 ml na water. So this one is 125 ml. So kailangan natin ng 4 na ganito. Okay, so we're going to wait 2 to 3 minutes until it boils. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung patatas. But before that, of course, we are going to lalagyan na rin natin siya ng paminta. Charot. Just a pinch or two. To taste. While we're waiting also for it to boil, we are going to drain the potatoes and then we are going to add it in a bit. So let's just drain it. Okay, so after draining the potatoes, we are going to add it na since it's kind of boiling, or let's wait for another minute. So, since nag-boil na siya, i-add na natin yung patatas. Just tapos mo, pag natin ipakita, hindi mo na. Then, intayin ulit natin lumambot yung patatas. Ano yun? Nakanak yung isda yun. So, iintay natin lumambot yung patatas na nilagay natin. This may take 2 to 3 minutes again. So, at dahil medyo malambot na ang ating patatas, ilalagay na natin ng Chinese Malunggay. Okay, tapos intayin na natin siyang lumambot rin. Okay, so nailagay na natin yung Chinese Malunggay. Intayin na lang natin na lumambot lahat ng sahog dito. So yung malunggay and yung patatas. while we're waiting, yan na, luto na siya in a while, pero dadagdagan na lang natin ng gatas. Kahit half cup lang siya or 1 cup. So for this case, half lang siya or 125 ml. Then, luto na siya in a while, kaya hintayin na lang natin. We add gatas para maging creamy rin siya. Kakagutom, gaganahan ka talagang kumain kapag naaamoy mo yung amoy. O, di ba tumigil siya? Siyempre, takan natin lang. Hintay na lang natin a minute or 2 and then tapos na, luto na siya. Hintay na lang natin a minute for it to cook. So, let's just wait for it. And while we're waiting. Alright guys, luto na siya. So, ita-transfer na natin siya sa plate. Siyempre, hindi pa ito yung plate. Yan lang yung patungo ng plate na. Alright. So, i-transfer na natin siya sa ating hiwagang plate. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Wish me luck. Ang creamy ng amoy niya. And guys, so ready na siya para kainin. Let's get it on! Ayan, luto na nga siya. Titikman na natin kung ano talaga ang lasa niya. Ang creamy. Sarap. Lasang lasa yung gatas. Ang lambot din ng patatas at saka ng malunggay. Sa must try, check nyo yung recipe sa description box. Titigil talaga ang mundo nyo sa CDO Karne Norte. Lalo na't may bango at sarap ng gisadong corned beef kaya't laging ganado ang pamilya. Sa CDO Karne Norte, laging ganado!